Every time you get stuck in Unreal Engine, you have two options. You Google it, you fall into a massive rabbit hole and you lose 45 minutes, or you ask someone that actually knows about your project, is always on your screen, and walks you through everything step by step. I built that second option. Build Buddy is your Unreal Engine expert that lives on your screen. It sees exactly what you're working on and walks you through anything that you want, step by step, right inside Unreal Engine. It's always here floating around, and you can just click on Ask and type whatever question you might have. So how can I create a new blueprint class of type actor? Let's click on Send, and now Build Buddy will go ahead and analyze your screen and see exactly what you have opened and how you have things configured, and it will prepare you a step-by-step guide, as you can see over here. So for example, it already sees that we're having the content browser down over here, so we can click on next step, and then it says, okay, you need to click the plus add button and select blueprint class. Okay, so add and then blueprint class. Okay, now what do I need to do? Click on next steps, and it will now see the screen and say, okay, so now they have this opened. You have to pick the parent class of actor. Okay, so click on actor. Okay, name it just test or whatever, and then next step, and you will see that I already created it down there, and it says, okay, there we go. You need to just name it and press enter, and there we go. It's basically like having an Unreal Engine expert always sat besides you, telling you exactly what you need to click on, just in case you know what you need to do. And the thing is that it is trained in the official Unreal Engine documentation, so it will basically not make any mistakes because it's literally taking what Epic Games tells you to. But obviously that was a very simple example. It can literally help you with absolutely anything. So if you go ahead and, for example, open the third person character, you can just drag, Build Buddy anywhere on your screen and just click on Ask, and then you could, create a new chat and say, okay, how can I make it so that when I press the E key, the player will ragdoll? I am already in the player BP. And you probably don't need to even say that you are in the player BP, because right now it's reading the screen and it's already knowing that you're in the third person character. As you can see, it can already see that we have the event graph opened of the third person character, and now it will tailor us a step-by-step guide that we can follow in just 5 simple steps. There we go. So we can just right click here and search the E key, which is over here. There we go. Click on next step. It will now analyze our screen, and it will see that we already placed the E key node, and it says, okay, so now from the pressed pin, go ahead and search for set simulate physics. So I can just type for set simulate physics over here. There you go, and plug in the mesh, which will probably tell me to plug in the mesh, but it will also read my screen. So then I can just go ahead and enable simulate, click on next, and then it's telling me to connect it, to make sure that it's connected. Okay, click next step, and then I have it enabled, and then let's make sure that it's enabled. Perfect. And then it's telling you about that you might need to adjust the collision, right? And then if you're not sure about how to adjust the collision, you say, go ahead and tell me exactly how I can adjust the collision so that the player doesn't fall through the ground like it's doing right now when it's ragdolling. And then with that, we can just press send, and it's now just evaluating the situation with our screen, and it's saying that it's usually the collision presets. So we can just go into the collision presets of our mesh right over here, scroll down, and it's exactly this. Basically, we just need to put this into collision enabled, okay, and that's it. And our player actually goes ahead and ragdolls. There we go. And I designed it in a way that is a very useful transparent notch, which is always on top of everything, that can just serve you as this little companion if you get stuck. But you see, Build Buddy doesn't stop there, because it can also execute and do things in Unreal Engine for you. And to set it up, just click on the settings menu, select your Unreal Engine project folder, which is this one for me, and then also your Unreal Engine version, which in this case is 5.7. And then basically just follow this little setup that you need to do inside of Unreal Engine, which literally takes 10 seconds. I know there's a lot of steps, but actually it takes 2 seconds. It's just enabling one plugin and changing 2 little parameters in the preset settings, okay? And then basically just click on start server and Build Buddy will connect with Unreal Engine. And there we go, connected. So now I can go ahead and start a new chat, and we can go and ask it to make this specific tree, 5 times larger. So I could go and say, make the selected tree in the viewport be 3 times larger in size. And now it will go ahead and make sure that this palm tree will be 3 times larger in size. And as you can see right now, it's executing this inside of Unreal Engine. And if we click back into Unreal Engine, there we go. We have this palm tree 3 times larger. And Build Buddy did it for me. I can also say, okay, go ahead and create a new blueprint class called enemy of type actor. And it will go ahead and create a new blueprint class named actor. There we go, in my level. So it created a new blueprints folder, which is this one, and enemy. There we go. It did it for me. Right now, the capabilities of this remote control functionality for Build Buddy is a bit limited yet. You can only modify certain things in the level, like make things bigger and create some assets. It cannot do, for example, blueprints yet, and it can't make crazy stuff. But for the most part, it does a lot of things, and I'm updating it every single day. But the thing is that the core strength of Build Buddy is the guided steps, how to actually do something in Unreal Engine. You will never be stuck anymore because it has the context of your project, because you selected it in the settings menu, and then it's always analyzing and watching your screen. It's literally the ultimate combo to have a personalized, customized, guided help without having an expert right next to you, right? And you don't have to basically tap back into ChatGPT every single time, copy and paste things. That's what a lot of people and my students did, just have ChatGPT by the side, but that's not very optimized because it doesn't know the context of your project. It doesn't know your window and everything. And then on top of that, YouTube tutorials are also not customized for your project. It's insane. I mean, think about it, right? You can do anything. And again, every single day I'm improving it and adding new updates. And the great part is that you can now try it for free. You can download it for free with a link in the description. I built this myself, and as you can see, I'm using it every single day since I created it. As soon as I shared this with some of my friends, which are top developers in the industry with one of the best games in Steam, they started using this every single day. Like, actually, no joke, it's super useful when you start implementing it into your workflow, and it allows people to learn Unreal Engine faster and to create prototypes in days instead of weeks. So go ahead and check out Build Buddy for free. The link is in the description, and comment any other ideas that you want to see. And now, yes, with that said, bye bye.